Hi, everybody. Happy Thursday. It's kind of rainy today, but hopefully by tomorrow we can be back outside, or maybe later today. I'm going to read you one of my favorite books by one of my favorite authors, The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog. Ooh, hot dog. Yummy, yummy, yummy! Ah. May I help you? Is that a hot dog? Not a hot dog. My hot dog. I have a question. I've never had a hot dog before. What do they taste like? Well, they are a taste sensation. Each morsel is a joy, a celebration in a bun. If you've never experienced the splendor of a hot dog, you should really... Wait a second. This hot dog is mine. I found it. Of course. Enjoy. Go ahead. Would you say that it tastes like chicken? Can you believe this guy? What? It just tastes like a hot dog, okay? Okay. So, it doesn't taste like chicken then? Oh, for Pete's sake. Hey, I'm a curious bird. That's it! It's my hot dog, right? Mine. This is unbelievable. Finders keepers is what I say. I'm a curious bird. What do they taste like? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, right. I can't take it anymore. What am I supposed to do? I think I've got an idea. You know, you're pretty smart for a duckling. Needs mustard. No pigeon because he just ate his hot dog. Right there. Have a great day and I'll see you all tomorrow.